Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Kindly check the description for the link to the French visa appointment down below in the description, and also I have attached a link to the French visa application. So it shows you Africa as a continent with a list of countries here, America, the continent with this list of countries, North Africa or Middle East with this Algeria, Iraq, and all that. Asia as well with a list of countries, Europe for those countries that are not in Schengen but require a visa. So also with Oceania. But I'll give an example of Africa. Most countries you can use the same process that I'm going to show you step by step while we book the appointment, while for other countries it requires you to either use VFS or TLS. So you check for the list of your country. If it is there, then that means it is the same process. Okay, a list of countries in Africa: Angola, Burundi, Chad, Cote d'Ivoire, Eswatini, Benin, Cameroon, Comoros, Djibouti, Ethiopia, Botswana, Cape Verde, Congo as DRC, Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, Burkina Faso, Central African Republic, Congo, the Republic, Eritrea, Gambia, Ghana, Lesotho, Mali, Namibia, Sao Tome and Principe, Guinea, Liberia, Mauritania, Niger, Senegalese, Senegal, Guinea-Bissau, Madagascar, Mauritius, Nigeria, Seychelles, Kenya, Malawi, Mozambique, Rwanda, Sierra Leone, Somalia, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Togo, South Sudan, Uganda, Sudan, and Zambia. But I think I will use, let me use Burundi as an example. So we click on the country. It says book appointment down here. You click on it. Let me change this to English. Welcome on the appointment booking service with the French Consular Services. As part of the continuous improvement of services offered to French citizens abroad, the following services are now possible. Group appointment booking, for example, family appointment booking up to 6 people, 1 appointment per person. A single appointment request for 2 different services. Select 2 different services from the list of services. Display of available places in real time in order to choose the most appropriate slots for the family appointment. For urgent appointments, please book individual appointments. If the procedure you are looking for is not listed, please contact the consulate. So we are not the robot. We are not a robot. It's successful, then you access to service. So how many people would you like to make an appointment for? If you're 3, you add here the number of people on the plus. I don't know why it's not clicking. But let us assume it is 1 person. So this human is the person. This is 1. What services would you like to make an appointment for? You can select up to 1 service per person. Assign at least 1 appointment to the service below before proceeding to the next step. If the procedure you are looking for is not listed, contact the consulate. We confirm, and here we agree. You have to agree to the term. You have to agree to the terms. I have read all the information available on the consulate website. If you do not tick this box, you can go to the next page. So make an appointment. Here are the dates. It is showing you on 28th November there are slots available. So you click on the date, and here is the timings that have been provided. There is 8:30 or 8:45. You choose whichever time is good for you. You click and then validate on the calendar. So we go on the next step. Main applicant who will receive confirmation messages. All fields marked with asterisk are required. You write here your name, your surname, and next, first name, your email address, and then confirm email, the telephone number, your date of birth as day, month, and year. Select the slot that applies to you. Okay, let me fill in randomly. So here on the next step, main applicant who will receive confirmation messages. All fields marked with asterisk are required. So your name, let me say Hussein. First name, let's say Jamal. Just random names. You indicate your email address. And then you confirm your email. Here the telephone number. Just putting something random. Your date of birth. I'm just putting random dates. So select the slots that apply to you. Here they're telling you the visa type. If you are a student, intern, talent passport, OFII, family reunification, family reunion, French spouse, French family, visitor, return visa, short stay, whatever or others, you tell them what you want. So I would choose visitor. And here the visa application number, it normally starts with the FRA and then some digits. So you must have the number. You find this number on your application from the website. Just putting something random. Then it shows here your appointment request for Thursday, November 28th. One person, that is the person's name, You agree to the terms. I have read and accept the terms of use and the privacy policy. You also agree I'm not a robot, and then you confirm and you have already booked your appointment. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, comment and subscribe, and please let me know in the comment section what you love to see on this channel. See you next time.